As I've been working in this space since last around 20 years. So the message I'd like to give is that sustainability needs action from both the ends. That is, one from the industry and technology point of view, and second, which is more important, is human behavior. That is how we can enhance or how we can optimize our own consumption. Because unless we reduce our consumption, for example, how we are wearing the dresses, to how we are using the water, electricity at our home, we are reduce our consumption, then definitely that is a great benefit without using any technological intervention. So my message to the audience or the larger people working in this space is, in addition to working in the technology space or in the industry, how we can also reduce our consumption. So that will help a big way in supporting the cause we all are working together. Thank you.